歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國轉信，我係任敬揚。電子音樂已經面世咗好耐，咁而喺數碼時代，電子音樂就可以話係無處不在。咁但係特雷門電子琴就與眾不同啦，因為佢誕生已經超過100年嘅歷史。咁最近美國首都華盛頓有一個製造商特意去推廣同生產呢一種樂器。下邊係我哋嘅記者洛格嘅報導。
特雷門電子琴外形特別，而且音色獨特。佢經常用嚟為電影配樂。
For a long period of time, it was relegated more to a sound effects device.
哈里森對特雷門電子琴感興趣，差唔多有40年啦。
When I was in college, way back in 1974, I had a roommate who was majoring in music, and one day he brought home a theremin.
佢將呢一台特雷門電子琴分拆改善佢嘅設計。20年後，佢成立咗哈里森器材公司，開始自行設計、自行製造特雷門電子琴。佢銷售咗數以千計嘅特雷門電子琴。
The theremin stands out as being so unique and so marvelous that it just attracted me for that reason alone.
呢種樂器嘅其中一個獨特之處係唔使接觸就能夠演奏。哈里森雙手喺空中微妙嘅移動嚟控制音調同音量。
So you see, as my right hand gets closer to the plate, the pitch goes up. And this hand and this plate is for the volume.
呢啲金屬片通常稱為天線，其實係電極。
The theremin, in its classic form, is measuring the amount of capacitance between each of the player's hands and its antennas.
哈里森雙手移動嘅時候，電容隨之改變，從而改變咗電路中控制頻率與音量嘅電流。當初俄羅斯科學家里昂特雷門喺1919年發明呢一種電子樂器嘅時候，兩片天線金屬片有一片垂直，另外一片水平。哈里森發展咗呢一種設計。雖然哈里森曾經以專業音樂家嘅身份多次演出，甚至係華盛頓一個樂隊嘅成員，但係佢認為自己首先係特雷門電子琴設計師。
When I began building the theremins and when I began coming up with what I thought were better and better designs, at first I had no intention to play them. But of course, if you're making them and spending all this effort refining them, invariably, in order to test the design, you have to play them.
記者洛格華盛頓報道。
沉迷於打機嘅少年兒童可能會有精神問題。咁較早前嘅一份報告就呼籲限制兒童嘅打機時間。下邊係我哋記者新夏嘅報導。
今年年初喺兒科雜誌刊登嘅一篇研究報告話，太中意打遊戲機嘅兒童可能會上癮，而且會有跡象顯示佢哋有精神問題。一支國際研究隊伍用2年時間跟蹤研究咗3000名小學同中學生之後得出嘅結論話，打遊戲機最多嘅人精神問題最大。馬洛斯醫生雖然冇參與呢項嘅研究，不過佢係克里夫蘭一家兒童醫院嘅心理醫生。
Here's what they found. It's the first study to do so. That kids who engaged in pathological gaming increased levels of depression, increased levels of anxiety, and increased social phobia. And when they stopped pathological gaming, depression, anxiety, social phobia went down.
研究人員將呢啲睇嚟打遊戲機上癮嘅兒童稱之為病態打機者。呢一組兒童每星期打機大約31個鐘頭，另外一組每星期只係打19個鐘頭。研究人員對比咗兩組兒童嘅行為之後，發現前者更傾向於不合群。呢一項研究仲發現，較為容易衝動，而且唔係咁容易同其他同輩相處嘅兒童，花更多嘅時間打機。
It's logical that a child who's depressed or a child who's overly anxious is going to want to play games because it's a safe place. It can relieve them of the symptoms of depression or anxiety.
讓兒童改咗打機嘅習慣之後，佢哋嘅壓抑情緒同埋佢嘅病症亦都隨之減輕。
There's only one thing to do. That is, you limit game time. However, kids who are pathological gamers are going to resist that, and thus parents may need to seek the help of a mental health professional.
美國兒科學會建議限制兒童打機嘅時間，而且用電腦同睇電視嘅時間每日唔超過1個鐘頭，高中生就唔超過2個鐘頭。但係娛樂軟件協會並不同意呢一份嘅研究報告結論，佢話呢一份報告有缺陷。記者辛哈華盛頓報導。
多謝收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬陽，下次嘅節目時間再見。